Cooking a tasty juicy steak at home does not have to be hard. With the right air fryer, you can get great results without much effort. Air fryers are quick, easy to use, and perfect for making steak just the way you like it. In this guide, we will show you the best air fryer for cooking steak at home. I will leave all the links in the description. Make sure to check them for more details. If you are looking for an air fryer that can cook juicy, tender steak with a nice crisp on the outside, the Ninja AF161 Max XL is a top choice. It uses Max Crisp technology to deliver up to 450 Fahrenheit of superheated air, which helps cook steak faster and gives it a great sear, similar to grilling but easier with less mess. One of the best parts is that it uses up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. That means you can enjoy a healthier steak without losing flavor. Plus, it's big enough to cook for more than one person. The 5.5 quart non-stick basket fills up to 3 pounds of food, making it great for steak, fries, wings, and even veggies on the side. It comes with 7 cooking functions like air fry, max crisp, roast, boil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. Cleaning is also easy. The ceramic basket is non-stick and dishwasher safe. Overall, the Ninja AF161 Max XL is a strong choice if you want to make delicious tea quickly, easily, with less oil. The Ninja Double Stack Air Fryer is designed to save space while giving you plenty of cooking power. Thanks to its small features and large size, it makes cooking steak at home easier and faster. One of the best things about this fryer is its space-saving design. It's 40% slimmer than most two basket air fryer, so it fits nicely under your kitchen cabinet and does not take up much counter space. But don't let the size fool you. It still gives you a large 10 quart capacity, which is perfect for families or when you are cooking for a group. When it comes to steak, double stack air frying technology really shines. It uses superheated air that surrounds your steak from all sides, helping you get that nice crispy outside and juicy look. You can cook on two levels per basket using the included stacked racks, which means you can cook up to 6 foods at once, perfect for making steak along with your sides. The Smart Finish and Match Cook features make them even easier. With Smart Finish, you can cook two different foods in each basket and have them ready at the same time, or use Match Cook to copy settings across the both baskets for bigger meals. Overall, the Ninja Double Stack Air Fryer is a smart and powerful choice if you want to cook steak and much more. It's fast, easy to use, and saves space. Great for anyone who wants restaurant style at home without a hassle. Instant Vortex Plus is one of the best air fryer for steaks. It's simple to use, cooks quickly, and delivers a crispy outside with a juicy inside. Just what you want in a steak. It offers 6-in-1 function: air fry, broil, roast, dehydrate, bake, and reheat. The Even Crisp technology makes sure hot air flows evenly, giving your steak the perfect golden finish with a temperature range of 95 to 400 Fahrenheit and fast preheating. You can cook steak straight from the fridge or if even froze in just minutes. It also has a customizable one-touch program for other food like wings and veggies. Cleanup is easy thanks to the non-stick dishwasher safe basket and tray. The compact design with stainless steel accents looks good on any kitchen counter without taking much space. You can also get access to Instant Brand Connect app, which offers helpful recipes, including ideas for steak and other meals. Overall, the Instant Vortex Plus is an excellent air fryer for steak lovers who want fast, easy, and tasty results at home. The Instant Vortex Slim 6 quarter air fryer is a strong choice. It offers 5-in-1 functionality, so you can air fry, broil, bake, roast, and reheat all in one device, perfect for steak and more. One of the standout features is even crisp technology, which pushes hot air from the top down. This helps give your steak a nice golden crust on the top outside and keeps it tender on the inside. It also heats up super fast, so you can go from frozen to ready in minutes. Whether you are in the mood of quick steak dinner or just want to reheat leftovers, the fryer has you covered. Plus, it has a wide temperature range: 120 to 400 Fahrenheit gives you control over how your steak is cooked, rare, medium, or well done. The model is slimmer than the regular 6 quarter version, so it takes up less space on your counter but still holds enough for a good meal. You can even cook 4-pound kitchen or for 2-pound bag of fries. Another bonus, it's the cooker air fryer from Instant, certified by Quiet Mark, so it won't drown out your kitchen timer or conversation. And when it's come to cleanup, it's non-bastic and a dishwasher safe, which makes things even easier. You can also get one custom touch program like wings, veggies, and even dessert, making cooking almost effortless. Lastly, the air fryer comes with access to Instant Brands Connect app, where you can discover new recipes to try. Looking for an air fryer that can do it all? The Kasuri Turbo Blaze 6 quarter air fryer is a great pick. 3600 RPM fan speed and temperature up to 450 Fahrenheit, ensuring beyond crispy, juicy perfection. Its precise airflow and temperature controls evenly cooked food with perfectly balanced texture and making it ideal for jerky fruits. 6 quart scale basket provides ample space for larger family meals. With a whisper quiet operation for under 53 dB, it's perfect for peaceful kitchen environment. It's using 95% less oil than traditional frying, so you can enjoy crispy meals without the guilt. The dishwasher safe non-stick basket and the attachable accessories make clean up a breeze. Plus, the customizable pre-heat function allows you to adjust for optimal results or keep it for convenience. Included with the dehydrated is a user manual, a 300 SP cookbook, and cooking charts to help you get started. Easy to use addition into any kitchen. When it comes to cooking steak in an air fryer, choosing the right model makes all the difference. The Kasuri Pro LE stands out with its highest heat, juice lock technology, and steak specific features. With quick cooking, easy cleanup, and healthier meals, it's the top pick for anyone wanting restaurant quality steak at home.